Volkswagen Group, driving innovation, sustainability, and mobility solutions. The Volkswagen Group, often referred to as VW Group, is one of the world's largest and most influential automotive manufacturers, renowned for its extensive brand portfolio, innovative technologies, and global presence. This comprehensive video delves into the multifaceted aspects of the Volkswagen Group, exploring its history, corporate structure, key brands, technological advancements, sustainability initiatives, global impact, and future prospects. Founding and early growth. The Volkswagen Group's roots can be traced back to the 1930s when the German government initiated the development of an affordable people's car, leading to the birth of the Volkswagen Beetle. Ferdinand Porsche played a crucial role in its design. Post-World War II rebuilding. After World War II, Volkswagen faced significant challenges but managed to recover and grow, becoming a symbol of the German economic miracle. Expansion and diversification. The group expanded its brand portfolio over the years, acquiring notable brands such as Audi, Porsche, and Lamborghini, diversifying its product offerings. Corporate structure and key brands. The Volkswagen Group is structured as a complex conglomerate, consisting of multiple brands, divisions, and subsidiaries, with Volkswagen Aktiengesellschaft, VWAG, as the parent company. The group encompasses an array of iconic brands, including Volkswagen, Audi, Porsche, Škoda, Seat, Bentley, Bugatti, Lamborghini, and Ducati, each catering to specific market segments. Technological advancements. Volkswagen Group is known for its advanced engine technologies, including the development of efficient TDI diesel engines and TSI petrol engines. Electric and hybrid vehicles. The group is committed to electrification, with the ID series representing its electric vehicle (EV) efforts, and hybrid technologies integrated into several models. Connectivity and autonomous driving. Volkswagen Group is at the forefront of integrating connectivity features and autonomous driving technologies into its vehicles, enhancing safety and driving experience. Sustainability initiatives. The group faced a major setback with the Dieselgate scandal in 2015, involving emissions cheating software. This event prompted a renewed focus on sustainability and ethical practices. Electrification and carbon neutrality. Volkswagen Group has announced ambitious goals for carbon neutrality, with plans to become a leader in the electric vehicle market and reduce carbon emissions throughout its operations. Sustainable mobility solutions. The group is investing in various mobility solutions, including car-sharing services and urban mobility concepts, to address future transportation challenges. Volkswagen Group operates in over 150 countries, with production facilities and sales networks worldwide, contributing significantly to the global automotive industry. The company plays a pivotal role in job creation, research and development, and economic growth in regions where it operates, particularly in Germany. Social responsibility. Volkswagen Group is actively engaged in social responsibility efforts, focusing on diversity and inclusion, responsible sourcing, and community engagement. The group is committed to electrification, with plans to launch numerous electric and hybrid models, aiming to become a leader in the electric vehicle market. Autonomous driving and mobility services. Volkswagen Group is investing heavily in autonomous driving technologies and exploring new mobility services, including autonomous ride-sharing and urban mobility concepts. Sustainability and corporate responsibility. The company is dedicated to regaining public trust through transparency, sustainability, and ethical practices, fostering a brighter future for the Volkswagen Group. In conclusion, the Volkswagen Group's rich history, extensive brand portfolio, commitment to innovation, and sustainability initiatives make it a prominent player in the global automotive industry. Despite challenges like the Dieselgate scandal, the group is resolutely focused on a future defined by electric mobility, connectivity, and sustainable practices. With its global impact and ongoing efforts to redefine the automotive landscape, the Volkswagen Group continues to shape the future of transportation and mobility solutions.